Merhaba, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to embark on a culinary journey through the streets of Turkey to discover the hidden secrets and unknown facts about a beloved Turkish dish. Cig Kofte. Cig Kofte, often referred to as the spicy meatball, has a history that's as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. So, join us as we explore the fascinating world of Cig Kofte and uncover some lesser-known facts about this mouth-watering treat. Cig Kofte, also known as Cig Kofte or Cig Kofte, is a popular Turkish dish made from ground bulgur wheat and spices, typically served as a snack or appetizer. Here's a simplified version of the process to make Turkish Cig Kofte. Ingredients: 2 cups fine bulgur wheat, 1/2 cup tomato paste, 1/4 cup red pepper paste, optional, for extra flavor, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/2 cup water, 1 onion, finely chopped, 4-5 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon iced pepper flakes, or other chili flakes, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon paprika, salt to taste, fresh lemon or lime wedges for serving, lettuce leaves, parsley, and radishes for garnish. Instructions: prepare the bulgur. Place the fine bulgur wheat in a large mixing bowl. Add hot water to the bulgur and mix it well. Cover the bowl and let it sit for about 20-30 minutes until the bulgur absorbs the water and softens. Prepare the spice mix. While the bulgur is soaking, in a separate bowl, mix the tomato paste, red pepper paste, if using, olive oil, minced garlic, finely chopped onion, iced pepper flakes, or other chili flakes, ground cumin, paprika, and salt. This mixture is your spicy paste. Combine ingredients. Once the bulgur has softened and cooled down, add the spicy paste to the bulgur. Use your hands to knead and mix the ingredients thoroughly. Taste and adjust. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning to your preference. You can add more salt, spices, or pepper flakes if needed. Shape the Cig Kofte. Take a handful of the mixture and shape it into small oval or round pieces. Serve the Cig Kofte on lettuce leaves, garnished with parsley and radishes. Keep in mind that this is a simplified recipe, and there are many variations of Cig Kofte with different ingredients and regional preferences. Also, note that some traditional recipes use raw meat, but this version is vegetarian and vegan-friendly. While many of you might associate it with meat, did you know that the original Cig Kofte was actually vegetarian? It wasn't until the 19th century that meat was incorporated into the recipe, transforming Cig Kofte into the dish we know today. One of the key ingredients that makes Cig Kofte unique is bulgur, a cracked wheat product that's been used in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine for centuries. Bulgur not only adds a distinctive texture but also packs a nutritional punch. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making Cig Kofte a healthier snack option. The secret lies in the perfect balance of these spices, creating a taste that's both spicy and aromatic. One of the most fascinating aspects of Cig Kofte preparation is the art of kneading. The mixture is kneaded for an extended period, sometimes for hours, to achieve the desired consistency and meld all the flavors together. This dedication to perfection is what makes each batch of Cig Kofte a work of culinary art. Cig Kofte is more than just a dish, it's a cultural tradition in Turkey. It's often enjoyed during special occasions, celebrations, and family gatherings. In some regions, it's even used as part of traditional ceremonies and rituals, symbolizing unity and harmony. Turkey is a diverse country with distinct culinary traditions, and Cig Kofte is no exception. In various regions, you'll find unique variations of this beloved dish. For example, in Gaziantep, they take Cig Kofte to another level by adding pomegranate molasses and walnuts for a sweet and tangy twist. Exploring these regional differences is like embarking on a flavorful adventure through Turkey. In recent years, Cig Kofte has undergone a modern makeover. Innovative chefs and entrepreneurs have reimagined this traditional dish, creating exciting new versions. From Cig Kofte burgers to wraps, the possibilities are endless, and the flavors continue to evolve. Cig Kofte has found itself at the center of controversy in recent years. In an effort to promote food safety, Turkish authorities have imposed regulations on the preparation and sale of Cig Kofte, which has sparked debates and protests among traditional Cig Kofte makers. Cig Kofte's popularity isn't limited to Turkey alone. It has traveled across borders and is now enjoyed by people worldwide. To wrap up our journey, let's take a look at some fun and intriguing Cig Kofte challenges that have become popular in recent years. From eating competitions to speed challenges, Cig Kofte brings people together in exciting and unexpected ways. And there you have it, folks, our deep dive into the world of Cig Kofte, from its ancient origins to its modern-day variations. It's a dish that has not only satisfied taste buds but also woven itself into the cultural fabric of Turkey. We hope you've enjoyed this journey of discovery, and if you have any unknown facts or personal stories about Cig Kofte, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures from around the world. Until next time, Haska Kalin, goodbye, and remember, there's always something new and exciting to explore in the world of food.